Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down what will print and why it matters. This saves paper and avoids missing data. First, select the exact range and set print area so only relevant cells print. This prevents stray columns. Once done, remove hidden rows, columns, and clear filters because hidden content can shift page breaks. Finally, switch to Page Break Preview to see where pages split and drag breaks. This gives you visual control and prevents surprises when you hit print. Next, you control layout so the sheet fits and remains legible. Open Page Setup and choose orientation and paper size to match your printer. Wrong choices distort layout. Then use scaling, fit to one page wide if columns overflow, or set percentage scaling for fine control, because this preserves column widths relative to each other. Also adjust margins and center on page, and configure headers or footers. These small choices ensure rows and columns don't get clipped when printed. Finally, always preview and then print. You avoid wasted runs this way. In print, preview check page order and alignment because what you see is what prints. Make sure you've selected the correct printer, paper source, and duplex settings when needed, since wrong choices change output. If the print still fails or margins shift, clear the print spooler or export to PDF and print the PDF. That often isolates Excel-specific rendering problems and gets your document printed reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.